Game number 4. Boston Celtics versus Indiana Pacers. Lamang ang Boston sa serye 3-0. NBA Eastern Conference Final.
You never can tell sometimes when it's 3-0 in a game 4.
First quarter, 29-27 lamang ng dalawa ang Boston. First half, 58-57, isa ang lamang ng Boston. Pagkatapos ng third quarter, 83-80, lumamang ng tatlo ang Pacers.
Clock down to 3. Brown behind the back. Step back, just gets it off in time. Oh, he got it! Can it go? That'll miss the layup. Brown hits a 3. 4 3-pointers for Brown. He's got 25. 24. Nice feed inside. Holiday got loose. All of the season. Stops. Jump shot. Got it.
3 minutes 15 seconds pa ang laro, 100-98 lamang ang Indiana. Na-drive si Tatum, naka-score si Brown. Again, 102 all ang score. Napunta ulit sa kanila ang bola at nag-3 points si White. Final score 105-102. Na-sweep ng Boston ang Indiana. Pumasok sila sa final championship. Ang mananalo sa Dallas at Timberwolves ang kakalaban nila.